Hello guys, this is episode 1 with this fish, Tanner fish, and this is my fish. This is episode 1. This is my fish. This is my brother fish.
Stop the cup, bro. Ang cute, oh.
The 3 fish.
Agis mo cellphone dyan.
This is fish. This fish food. This goldfish. 3 goldfish here. 1 fighting fish. Mine. Okay. This rock stone, I got from beach. I stole from daddy because daddy collects stones from beach. This, mama buy plants. Ito, ang tawag dito? Fighting fish. I have 3 goldfish. In one,
Nakitabi mo to. Ano to? Tanner.
This is rock. Plant. Rock. Oh, no, that's not rock. Shell. Other one is shell. Yeah, shell. This is lonely fish. Look, bro. Beautiful. Ugly, boring. But beautiful. Look. It's swimming away. So guys, next time bibili kami ng kasama dito, babae naman, para hindi na siya lonely. Siya lang kasi bato niya eh. Tapos ang late ng aquarium nito. Sad pa sa ito. Ito yung dalawa. Tapos sasunod isa.
Kailan natin binili yan na? Sana yung goldfish, kailan mo binili yan?
Ay, 3 pala. Naging 3.
Kailan mo binili yung goldfish?
This is 3 fish. 1 fish here. Okay guys, bye bye. See you next episode. Fish algorithm.